Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, seat memory, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.